Matthew Guo, kindergarten at Marshall Elementary School, has the amazing ability to burp whenever he wants to.
Hello, my name is Matthew Guo, and I'm 5 years old in kindergarten. I'm here to show you how to burp whenever you want to. Watch. Burping is very helpful. If you don't want to eat your vegetables, just say like this. I'm full. See? It's fun to scare my sisters too.
And that concludes our Talent in the Family.